Yun isa din eh. Gusto ng amok eh. Sinunod, nilabas ka pa eh. Parang in-offer, ito po madam. Ito po ang aming alay. Saktan nyo na po. Parang ganun eh. Julia, sino? Sino ba yan? Magaling ba magbadyong yan?
Yes,
Mayaman ba yan?
yes.
So ang dami ng tanong ni mama about sa lalaki.
Tapping on the keyboards like, papakainin ka ba nun? Kaya ba nung ibigay yung mga luho mo? Katulad ng pagbibigay ng mga luho ko? Ipaglalaba ka ba nun? Ganun yung mga tanong niya.
Ang haba nga naman, 3 yung pangalan. Sabi pa ni Yaya, papahirapan mo magsulat yung bata?
Yes, laboring in their hospital, telling me the name is too long. Fuck that, there's no such name as too long. I want that name.
Yeah.
But give me that.
Wow. And at that time, I thought I was the strongest in the family, and I thought I was the most logical one because you're being the eldest and all that. But when you made that decision, and your decision behind it was really impressive, choosing you. And at that time was a powerful move, and until now it is still a powerful move.
Yes.
Who's your celebrity crush that you would survive in a relationship with them?
Gosh, big dick
Yeah.
energy.
My
The
God,
girls
yeah,
he dated.
definitely. Now, have you ever lied to get out of a date, and what was the excuse? What was that worst date then? Won't give mixed signals, so you already show that you're not interested or something. Is that right? Fake your way through it, girl. I may have, and I called a friend because I can't see myself staying. Hindi ka makalusot, so I just said, you know what, ang sakit nito, parang tatay ata ako, ganon. Who was your worst ex and why?
Daming
okay,
ex.
go, sige.
Hindi ko kinaya.
Nag-iipon ka, girl.
Ang ganda ni girl. Ang
May bangko ka ng
daming ex.